What can be my another approach? Okay, so my next approach will be using the optimal approach of 1 to n problem. Okay, using optimal approach from 1 to n problem. So in that problem, finding XOR from 1 to n using optimal approach, we could find it in order of one time and order of one space. Okay, we will use that here also. Okay, how? So let's say if n is there, let's say n is 9. Okay, and I want to find 1 to 9 XOR. I want to find the XOR from 1 to 9. So I was able to find using order of one time by using that approach. N mod 4 equals to if 0, if it is 1, if it is 2, if it is 3, like this. Okay, we have solved this in previous problem. Now, how I can use that approach here? How I can use that approach? So if I want to find the XOR from 3 to 12, what I can do? I can find the XOR from 1 to 2. Okay, if I take 1 XOR 2 and if I do XOR of 1 XOR 2 XOR 3 XOR 4 till 12, can I find this in constant time? Yes, using 1 to n XOR approach. Can I find this in constant time? Yes, using 1 to n approach. Okay, so if I do XOR of this, what will I get? If I do XOR of this, what will I get? So this will cancel this will cancel this. Okay, and I want to find the XOR from 3 to 12, where 3 is also included, 12 is also included. Okay, so from 3 to 12 I can find my XOR. Okay, now I can use the optimal approach of previous problem only. Okay, so let's say I call this function find XOR till 2, XOR with find XOR till 12. Okay, that will give me the XOR of 3 to 12. Correct? Now we know that, right? This is 2. Okay, so 2 mod 4 is nothing but 2. So if it is 2, the XOR will be 3. Okay, similarly it is 12. So 12 mod 4 is nothing but 0. So if it is 0, then my XOR will be nothing but my number 12. So if I do 3 XOR 12, it will be nothing but this is 3. Okay, and 12 can be written as 8 4. So this is 8, this is 4, and it will be, if I do XOR, it will be 1 1 1 1. So it is 1 2 4 8, which is nothing but 15. So 3 to 12 XOR will be nothing but 15. Okay, what I need to do, I just need to call this function. I just need to call this function. Okay, and we have already discussed it, right? We have already discussed it. So if I'm writing it again, okay, so I'll write the function int find XOR. Okay, I'll pass a number till where I need to find the XOR. So from 1 to n, this will give me the XOR from 1 to n. Okay, and I will write for condition if my n mod 4 equals to 0, that means the XOR will be nothing but my number only. Okay, else if my n mod 4 equals to 1, that means the XOR will be 1 only. Okay, 1, if my number is 1, XOR will be 1 only. Else if my n mod equals to 2, then my XOR till here will be n plus 1. Okay, else if the remaining case is n mod 4 equals to 3. Okay, so for that, what will be my answer? So it will be nothing but 0. No need to mention it, just return it. Okay, else return 0. So we just need to call this function 2 times. Okay, so if I want to find the XOR from a range, what I can do, I can just return find XOR from left -1 and find XOR till my right. Okay, this will give me the XOR from left to right. I hope you got it. Okay, these two problems were very simple, right? You just need to know this. You just need to know this. Okay, so this is all about this problem. And what will be my time complexity? So my time complexity will be order of 1 and space complexity will be order of 1. Okay, so performing this task is nothing but order of 1 task. Okay, so in order of 1 you can find the XOR from 1 to n as well as from a particular range. So this was all about this problem. I hope you find it useful, and if you find it useful, please like this video and please share with it others. Okay, so that's all about this problem. Let's move forward to next problem.